From picking software engineering to learning to code, to developing an idea, and to actually implementing that idea. Presenting you today, folks, is the all-new, innovative, educational leading platform, Sukesh Education. It's been in the works for perhaps maybe 7 years, ever since I started playing YouTube. And what better way to give back than to develop an app that educates folks about the Australian country. So, proudly introducing 6 months of tiring, gruesome, all-night work, Sukesh Education. Hope you enjoy.
Hello everybody and welcome back. This is a quick tutorial on how to run the Sukesh Education platform. So, after following the installation guide on the Google sites, go to desktop.py on your code editor and on the top right, click on Run Python file. Running this will open up the desktop application. Here you can enter your name and get started with the sign-up process. Or additionally, you can run the local host on your local server and also access it via your web browser. Let's do the web browser because it's faster and it's better for our case scenario. So entering your first name, let's say your name was Leo, and your email, leo@gmail.com. Your password, it has to be at least 8 characters, so I would recommend just copy pasting it. Selecting who you are and continuing, and great. Voila, you're into your dashboard. So here we have your progress menu. So active subjects, login stream, math high score, days to next exam. Are you confused what that means? Well look, active subjects is controlled by here, how many subjects you have actively. Login streak is how, if you've been logging into your application every day, so it's a gamification to keep you coming. Math high score, well, it's from these games. You play game and then your high score gets logged there, and days to next exam is from the countdown time. So as you scroll down on the dashboard, you have access to all of the app's features: My Subjects, AI Study Planner, Educational Resources, Study Resources, Mindfulness, and RUAK Day Chat. The RUAK Day Chat and the AI Study Planner are Gemini APIs backpowered. So I was using a Gemini API to power them. That's how they're AI generated. Clicking on the My Subjects, it'll take you to the list of subjects. You can edit the list of these subjects that you want to appear. Miscellaneous, save, and it's just those 4 subjects that'll appear. These subjects are curated to the NSW syllabus, and you can click more, and view the content theory, and then watch the educational video that is Sukesh Education.
Okay, so guys, how?
And then you can take a short quiz on this to test your understanding of the knowledge. Moving on to and then we have the AI Study Planner. This allows you to generate a study planner using the Gemini API AI. So you enter your details, say what task are you preparing for HSC trials, have it in a month, choose a subject, and you can add as many subjects as you want. Exam date, topics to study, priority level, subject name, and your confidence level. I've done this preset for English, math, just so I can save time explaining, but I'll show you how I do it for software. So let's say my confidence is really high. So what the AI is going to do is then it's going to analyze our confidence is high, and it's going to allocate less time to secure software than software automation, and let's say I want to do the marriage project here. Cool. And I can put the medium priority as low. Cool. Those are my 3 subjects added. Then you can choose your availability. Choose afternoon, choose moderate balance, and then click generate my AI study plan. This will contact Gemini API, generate your plan, and give you an AI overview. You can click on mark as complete, and look at this, that was 0%, now it's 8%, because these AI study overviews dynamically adjust. Then you can also click reschedule to reschedule the date if you're unable to do it today for whatever reason. And you can finally click add to calendar. Adding to calendar will add it to this calendar app. Cool. Then additionally we have an AI generated sample weekly schedule that you can follow. To view this in full, just minimize the sidebar and you can view your study planner in full for the week, taking ease of mind. Now that is the AI study planner. Then we have the HSC countdown. What I want to do is I can show you everything, demo one by one, but I'll do that in, I'll do that in another one of my videos separately. So let me log into my testing account, which is leo@gmail.com. And here, when you log on to HSC Countdown, you can see your countdowns, and then as you scroll down, you can also see the HSC dates. So hovering over this, you can see the information about the countdown. Click this plus button to create your countdown. Click on this HSC button, and it'll store this as an HSC date, which is considered important. And yeah, this is what it says. You have 14 days left, and this is really beautiful to you. Then you can go on My Schedule, and then remember what we added in this AI study plan? I got rid of it. I can create a new plan. But see, when you click Add to Calendar, Study Mathematics, Calculus, and you go to your calendar, it's going to have added that to calendar, to today's. So when you hover over it and you click, you see that calendar. Cool. Then you can click on the games. You can play the games really fast. So we've got some arithmetic games here. Remember, all of this is gone through in much greater detail. So yes, do follow a specific video. And then we have high scores on the bottom. You can end the game, get our game accuracy and our game statistics, and then you can see your high score, and this gets stored. Then you have resources tab. These resources have a list of all major resources for all the subjects. Not all the subjects, few of the HSC subjects. These were curated to be the best resources, so instead of searching on the website, we give it default. And then this brings us to the Zen Capsule app. The Zen Capsule app allows you to meditate, reflect, and lock this reflection away for some time period so that you can view this journal later on. So you can lock the journal away, so time capsule it, and then after, let's say, 30 days, if that's your lock period, then you're allowed, then it automatically unlocks, and then you can view it. And this kind of gives you this pleasure. You're like, oh, nice, I did that, I said that time, now it's happened. So you can click Start Meditation, click on one of the three options. Let's go with mindfulness, select the duration. I'm going to go with a minute, begin meditation, and the balloon or the sphere is going to increase in size and decrease in size. And yeah, the countdown time is going to count down to 0, and then it'll allow you to, it'll open up the journal prompt. Or you can skip and directly go to journal. Okay, my bad. Click OK. You've skipped the meditation, and now you can enter your journal. So let's say, feeling joyous, happy, thoughts and reflections, stressed but grateful. I know that's the wrong spelling. And you can lock this. Let's say I want to unlock this on the 23rd of August. Cool. You can add, audio and images, and then you can click on Create the Entry button. And what's that's going to do? It's going to create the entry. Easy as that. I don't know why it did not create the entry there, but yeah. You click Create the Entry, it will create the entry. And then you click on the Are You OK Day chat. So, what is this about? This is just basically a Gemini API key that I've integrated to align and not be abusive. So it's there to assist users with their stress through the HSC. So clicking on Start Chatting, the users are prompted up with a chat box. Now the users can chat with the AI model. Be like, oh, hello, I'm stressed about my exam tomorrow. And the AI model is going to reply. Easy. You can follow these steps. How to sleep tonight. What should I eat tomorrow? And the AI model will reply almost instantly. And this was just a basic integration of the Gemini API already. Then you can end the chat and view your chat history. So you can have multiple chat sessions and then always go back and view your chat history. And folks, this brings us to the end